Oh, what's she doing? Oh, your motor's on. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I also do surprise uploads, so you're gonna want to like hit the bell, subscribe, and bell it, subscribe. Okay. And this cutie is Motel Tresses. I want to say Spin 62, super long. I'm really liking her. There'll be a review up sooner or later. If it's not up and you want to see it, you know what to do. You put it down below, and then I move it up in the rotation. Okay, so today we're doing a sensational, and this is from their Empress Lace Wig Lace Front Edge, and this is Miriam. And Miriam has a silk-based lace 4x4 parting, which is also known as a free parting, and she is in the color SM2/350/27. So SM2, that means a 2 right here at the root. And then the 350 mixed with the 27 is sort of that reddish auburny color with the light auburn. She is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. And I scooped her up from Glamour Trust for just $20. So let's meet Miriam. This is Miss Miriam. Oh my gosh, cereal. Look at that coloring. So this is going to be your number 2 sort of sombre in with the 350 right here, and then the 27. Let's look at the wig cap. So you can see that she's got the lace front edge and then this sort of silk based 4x4 parting, 2 combs set on either side of that parting space, comb in the back, adjustable straps. So this allows you to sort of like freely part this the way you want. I have found that with free parting, the best way to wear them is to figure out where you want it and then sort of lay it down in that way. Let's just put her on and see what we're working with. Wig cap is very roomy, very comfortable. Let me check out the ear tabs. Okay, so she's sitting really at a middle part the way that she is now. Yeah, definitely roomy wig cap. So see, you could sort of part her, but you would want to set her down. So say you parted her like that. Ooh. Ooh. Or you could part her anywhere in that 4x4 parting. Oh wait, ooh, I can't decide. I am going to use heat to her, so wherever I decide to part her is where she's going to basically be sticking. Sometimes I find though with these 4x4 partings, you got to be careful because where you do part it, sometimes there's less hair or more hair depending, and you don't want it to like look like a bald spot. I'm thinking I'm going to part her on this side like this. What do you think? All right, let me get this girl together and then we'll see what we're working with. That sounded very awkward. set it down a little bit more, but I do like sort of the movement of the way it is. I am in love with this wig, I can tell you that right now. She reminds me so much of one of my favorite wigs, which is Follow Me by Free Tress Equal. She's definitely same sort of like yaki texture, but she's not as thick. So I feel like this is maybe a spring, even summer version of Follow Me. So I'm loving that. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but in long wigs, you often do get a little bit of shedding. I love this wig. I love this type of coloring. It's so, so, so pretty. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my gosh, yes, I really love this. Let's look at the movement. Wig cap's definitely big. This is all the hair to the front, so I like the density. I think especially for a longer wig like this, like Follow Me, I love the density. It's definitely more dense. It's definitely more dense. Yeah, look at just, I love this coloring. This type of coloring is like my favorite coloring. She's at least 26 inches. I'm 5'6.5". This goes well below my breast area. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. I'm so in love. You know, when I'm starting to be like this, you know I love it. I'm wearing this wig tomorrow for sure. She didn't really take much. I could have laid her down a little bit more, but I do really like the sexy, flowy sort of date night situation that's happening. She feels comfortable. I don't even have the combs in. Yeah, she feels like she's pretty secure. Wig cap is comfortable. It's a little bit roomy. I wouldn't call it big per se. I would just call it maybe stretchy, like, you know, like wearing Lycra. Like it moves with you. You know, when you get jeans and they're like Lycra infused, that's what this is. You know, it's gives you a little bit of a give, but it's not like too big. She's gorgeous. I don't even know what to say. She took me like 2 seconds to get ready. I will say when you have like sort of this 4x4 or 13x6 or any type of free parting, yeah, it's great. You can part it wherever, but I do think that you should take heat to it to set it where you will most likely wear it, because I think it just looks better. If not, it's flipping all over and it looks crazy. So yeah, I'm in love. This is quick and easy. I'm already in love. Fell in love on the first date. I'm going to be wearing her tomorrow. I'm so excited. So if there's any wigs that you would like to see me review, please put that down below. If you have this wig, especially if you have another color, let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.